Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to automatically format negative numbers as red in Excel. So there's a few different ways we could format the cells in order to show that, but in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys what I find to be a pretty simple way. So I'm going to select either in a column that we're going to run into this issue or the entire worksheet. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to just select the column here so you can see I have a few negative numbers in here. So in order to make them appear red, I'm just going to right click inside the column once I've selected it, and then I'm going to left click on Format Cells. Now you want to go underneath the number category on the left side, and for negative numbers you can either just show it as red, so the whole number, or you can have it in parentheses, whichever you prefer. I'm going to select it in parentheses here, and then left click on OK, and you can see all the negative values are now appearing in red text. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.